Good morning, everybody. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop back at my channel. Alright, so today is an update on the embellishment box swap. What I did is please disregard the list of the previous one that was actually made on everybody that said that they were going to join. It wasn't until I sent out the letter saying, hey, are you guys still interested, that I got the big surprise that half of the people decided not to do it. So we are down to 25, plus me is 26 people. So what I did is I recreated a new list. I tried, there was really no way for me to give 2 partners to people because we had just such a little group now. But what I did is, if you guys, I think Sandy, you're the only one that didn't get a second partner. Shamika had already, she already asked for a partner, so had 2 partners in the beginning of her list. So I just gave her a new partner, and then Shamika and I are still going to do the second swap together. Marcy and I are still going to do our swap together. I was able just to keep those few things the same. Everything else has changed. So I apologize to anybody. And anybody now, after this email went out, I'm not going to accept any new names. I apologize, but it was 24 hours, more than 24 hours. It was almost 2 days that I gave everybody to reply back to me on the original email, and only this amount of people did. I started off with these lists, and now I'm down to this. Which is okay. It was just a little confusing and a little frustrating, especially on the people that I had already given them a partner, and now they weren't getting emails back and things. So I apologize for that. I did not know so many people were going to drop out, or just not actually even respond to emails. So it's a learning experience. So the next one that I do will be a pocket letter one. I am only going to do like the first 5 people that get a hold of me. That will be it. Everything else is remaining the same. Like May 15th, everybody has to have their boxes. But if you guys think I should extend it, because it has been a big mess, it's been 2 days since I've been able to get the names out. So if you guys want me to extend it, let me know. Please email me, email your partner. Make sure you email your partner. And if you guys see up in the email list, everybody's names are in there like they should be, but on the next, what I, like if their email didn't match their name, I try to put what their second name was on there. So but if you can't get a hold of your partners, please let me know. And please let me know down below that you've seen the email, so that maybe one of your partners can get a hold of you through YouTube. So the email is going to be the way, how it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot now. I know some people did not want me to put their last name. That's why I did the email the way I did, because there was a few people that did not want their emails and their names on YouTube. So I don't know, I'm not going to take a screenshot. The email that you guys got is the email that we're sticking to. Okay, but if you're having a hard time getting a hold of your partner, please let me know, and I will give you their email address, and then you guys can email each other. Alright guys, thank you so much for bearing with me. I apologize for all the confusion and everything that's going on. Some people don't like to use their real name, so I can't give you their email address, because it has, like on here on YouTube, I can't give you their email address because, it's privacy. So, but if you guys have any questions or concerns or anything else, please let me know in an email. Let me know in that group email that I sent you guys. Alright, I'm gonna let you all go. Hopefully this has been like a 2-day thing. So So with it going back and forth, but I don't want to keep going back and forth with certain emails because I'll confuse myself. So this is what we're going to stick to. We're going to stick to the list that I just sent out this morning, and that's it. Okay guys, thank you so much for your understanding and your patience with me, and thank you so much for joining. Make it fun. Use up your stuff in your craft room. This is going to be really, really fun. I can't wait. And also, it's up to you guys of the boxes. I have been getting emails that people can't get those clear, other clear ones. But these are the other ones that we were using. You find these in the craft section. My boxes, also here, these are the two types of boxes. Most people are using these ones, and some people are using the smaller ones. It's up to you. I personally am going to be swapping with my partners. I'm going to be using this box to send to them. If, you know, I don't care what type of box you use, you know, for me. But this I found also in the craft section. That's where I've been finding mine. They were restocked in all three of my stores. So I was able to buy some more. And then these ones were all in stock also in the craft section, but they had limited colors, so they just had pink and black ones. So that's it. Somebody had also asked me about these little clear little containers. This is what I'll be putting my sequins in. This was also in the craft section. They come in this size, and then another one that's a little bit bigger. So yeah, that is about it. So it's depending, and I don't want anybody to be sending like a whole bunch of stuff to other people. Please just, I mean, you could send extra goodies if you like to, but don't feel that you have to. I really want just to have these boxes sent because you're putting a lot of stuff in these, especially these ones. You can fill these ones up pretty well. So you can see the compartments. And you can fill them up pretty well. So please don't feel that you have to send a whole bunch of extras and goodies. I mean, this is going to be expensive enough, you know, when we mail them. You know, shipping is a little expensive. But don't feel that you have to send a whole bunch of goodies. I want it to be fun. I want it just to really be the embellishment box. If you want to send extras, that's up to you guys. But yeah, you know what I mean? Like, I think that's okay, guys. Thank you so much, and I apologize for all the, again, for all the waiting and everything, but this was just really hard to do. Now I know I've learned a lesson. This is a good lesson to learn, to keep the group small. We're gonna keep it small. All right guys, thank you so much, and like I say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I will see you guys all in my next video, which will be a Dollar Tree video. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.